What's up, everybody? Today we are going to be switching from dirt or dual sport to Supermoto. If you don't already know, this is a WR250R. Comes as a dual sport, but they actually made the WR250X Supermoto, so it's quite easy to make the switch. It's pretty easy, I think, with most bikes, but it's especially easy with this bike. The only thing you need to do, other than getting a set of wheels, is to get yourself a set of the WR250X fork shields here, and once you have the X version, it will actually work with both sets of wheels, so it's super easy to switch back and forth. Other bikes are also pretty easy. I think you just sometimes need to cut a little bit of this away or cut a little bit of this away, but otherwise they just about all have a Warp 9 option, like I have here, Warp 9 conversion kit, bike specific. I got these from Moto X Industries. So let's go ahead and see if we can get them on. As you can see, my dirt tires here are pretty much toast. And my previous street tires were toast as well. So I picked up a pair of these Haidanu K80s. And in my previous video, you may have seen, I mounted them to my Warp 9 Supermoto wheels. That was a 22 mil to take off the front axle. It's a 10 millimeter to loosen up the pinch bolts. Just take your rubber mallet, knock that out. Bam. There's your spacer. Try and keep that pointing the right direction. Set this to the side. Might be wise to take that caliper off as well, actually. These street tires are considerably wider than the dirt ones, so it can be quite the fuss to get it in there. And it's just worth it to take off the brake caliper to make your job quite a bit easier. Tighten it as much as you can before that axle starts to spin, and then go ahead and tighten these guys down. I don't know how important the torque wrench really is for these guys, but this is going to be 17 pounds. So just do the outer side first until you get the axle nut. 46 pounds for the axle. There you are. That's all it takes. Don't forget to tighten these back up on this side. Bam. Then we can get our brake caliper back on. May need a screwdriver for this. Space these out, maybe not. We're good. These bikes are so versatile. I also own a CBR 600. Bought it new in 2008. Wish I bought this bike new back then. Great for street, great for dirt. 20-30 minutes to swap between tires. You get the best of both worlds. And it's cheap, comparatively. These will go down to 12. I'll get it down to 10 and then 12. Bam. That's it for the front. Alright, grab your 11/16. I'm not sure what the equivalent is for metric, but this is all I have that fits. And break that guy loose. Get your fresh new wheels. Squeeze them in. Make sure your chain tension is right. Rear axle is gonna be 90 pounds. Bam. All right. There you are. You've gone from a WR250R to a WR250X Supermoto. Well, I'll see you guys next time. Like and subscribe.